Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Let's understand today's LeetCode daily challenge problem. So the problem states that you need to you will be given a binary string and you need to convert the binary string into monotone increasing string. So monotone increasing strings mean sum of the zero should be the beginning of the string and ones are on the right side of the string. So you can see that mm, this is the 0011. It is a one kind of monotone string, and another is like 000111. This is a one kind of monotone string. So now the problem states that you need to find the minimum number of flip to convert one string to monotone increasing string. So here flip means you can convert any 0 to 1 or 1 to 0 so that the string become monotone increasing string and the number of the flip should be minimum. Now let's understand the problem with the example. So you can see that there is a in first example we have a 0 0 1 1 and 0. So if you convert the last 0 into 1, so it's become 0 0 1 1 1. So here the number of flip is 1, so the answer is 1. In the second example you can see the 0 1 0 0 1. So if you flip the second one, first one in 0 and this 0 in 1, so it's become 1 1 1. So here is the number of flip is 2, so the answer is 2. So now you have understood the problem. Let's try to solve the problem. So for solving this, I will create two array, and that two array will store the number of counts of 0 and number of counts 1 in the following manner. Okay. So I will be using two array, which is one is font array, another is backed array. So font array will calculate the number of ones and number of zeros from the left to right, and the back is opposite of that, like from right to left. So font array will be, so in that position number of 0 is 1 and number of 1 is 0. And here it will number of 1 is 1 and number of 0 is also 1, so it will 1 1. So again here it will be number of 0 is 2 and number of 1 is 1. In fourth position it will as a 2 and 2, and the fifth position number is 2, 0 is 2 and 1 is 3, and in the last position 0 is 3 and 1 is also 3. So this is the font array. So I will write down the back array, which will calculate the number of 0 and number of ones from the right hand side. Okay, so let's write the back array. So I have write down the back array from the right hand side. So you can see that from the here is number of 0 is 1 and number of 1 is 0, and this here is number of 1 is 1 and number of 0 is 1 and number of 1 is also 1. Here is number of 0 is 1 and number of 1 is 2. So this way I have write it down the back array. So now let you understand the logic behind this revision this solution. Okay, so at any certain point, so what I will do, at any certain point number of previous one and number of and the number of previous one that need to be converted into 0, and the after ones after zeros that need to be converted into 1. So the array becomes initially all 0 and the right hand side all 1. So now so now I need to iterate in this array, this front side and back side array, and simultaneously I need to, like, in that position, so what is the number of flip we need to do. So what in that position, so number of we need to, number of 0 is 1, and number of 0 is 1. That's mean the left side of that string there is 1 count of 0 is 1, and from the right side of the array number of count of 0 is 2, number of count of 2 is 1. So what you need to do to convert all the 0 in the beginning, so you need to convert what you need to do, you need to convert all the ones to 0, and all the 2 with all the 1 to 0 and all the 0 to 1. So here is, so number of operations should be 1 plus 2, so it becomes 1 plus 2 is 3. So this could be one answer, but not the minimum number of flip. So what we need to do, we need to find the minimum number of flip or minimum number of operation we can get from this by iterating this whole array. So if I write down the number of flip in every index, so what I will get the form for 0th index. For 0th index, so number of flips, so we need to convert 1 to 0. So here the number of 1 is 0 and number of 0 is 2. So minimum, so the operation is 0 plus 2, which is 2. So we need to convert number of 1, and we need to, like, find the sum of number of 0 of current index and the next index number of 0. So here it is 0 plus 2, which is 2. For this index we have already calculated, which is 3. 1 plus 2 is 3. For this index, so it's become 1 plus 1, which is also 2. For this index, which is also like 2 1, which is 3. For this index it is 3 1, it is so 4. And for this index, which is actually the maximum of this, so it's also 3. Now you need to find the minimum of this value, so which is 3, which is 2, and the answer is 2. I hope the solution is clear to you, and I will write the Java code in the comment section. You can check it out. Thank you.